Hello everyone, welcome back to my Ultimate Studio build part 5. You can see that the painting is almost there now. The lights and the switches are in, and there's the cupboard under the stairs where we're going to have our shoes and coats. The stairs now has an undercoat of paint on it, but still needs finishing off, and the banisters still need doing. There's the light in that kind of stairwell area, and they look really stylish and nice from outside. There is the nice floor, which is like a dark brown grey colour, and you can see my desk in the background. The lights on the top there have been installed. The desk has the two white IKEA cabinets underneath either side. The LED lights can be moved around and positioned, but we've got them facing both desks. There's the other smaller one for Mrs. Boxed. You can see the nice red wool that we had painted with the white accents and the orchid colour everywhere else to match downstairs. You can see the lovely walnut worktop, and here is the big reveal. Come on, let's see what this is like. Come on, baby. The workmen done a really good job of fitting this in the space and cutting it to size. They've also sanded it down to about 180 grit. So well done and thank you to them. Boom! Have it! There you go, the lovely walnut worktop on the two white IKEA cabinets, which is taking shape and looking lovely. The radiator still needs to be installed. When we changed location for the desks, we realised that the other radiator was too high and had to get a lower one. But it's a really nice solid surface. You can see there are a few little scratches on the top there, but when I sand it down to a very fine grit, I'll be able to get rid of those. And I also need to add several layers of varnish. You can see the sockets there with the USB charging. The only slight hiccup is that when we changed the location of the desk, we moved it around from the side to the end, and you can see those sockets. What we could have done was hidden them behind the cabinet, but it's no big deal. You can see Mrs. B's desk there, also been cut to size. Lastly, you can see that the door is now fitted, which is a fire door and helps isolate the sound when closed. So there you have it, guys. This is the last video before I do the final big reveal. I hope you've enjoyed the series, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.